If your law firm is busy, your calendar is full, your team is working, but you're still wondering where does the money go? You do not have a revenue problem. You likely have profit leaks. And today I'm going to show you exactly what those are, where they hide, and how to start fixing them. I'm Kelley Brubaker, a CPA and fractional CFO for law firms. And I help firm owners go from inconsistent cash flow, confusion around their numbers, and no real take home money to predictable, growing, and sustainable income. And one of the biggest issues I see across a lot of law firms is profit leaks. So, what is a profit leak? Well, a profit leak is money that your firm should be keeping, but it's quietly slipping away. And it's not because of fraud, and it's not because of anything dramatic, but because of small inefficiencies, missed opportunities, and lack of visibility in your numbers. Individually, none of those things feel like a big deal, but when you add them together, they can cost your firm tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. So why don't you see them? Here's the problem. Most law firm owners are looking at their bank balance, maybe your P&L, and how busy they feel. But that does not tell you what you should have collected in money, what you should have billed to clients, or what your firm is actually producing. So you end up making decisions based on incomplete information. And when you don't see the leak, you can't fix it. So, what are the 5 big profit leaks? Okay, so first off is going to be broken billing. And this is one of the biggest leaks for hourly billing firms. You did the work, but you didn't bill for all of it. And this happens when time is not captured consistently, entries get written off. If you have flat fees, they're underpriced, or your billing is delayed. The deal is, if it's not billed, it just doesn't exist. For example, if each attorney misses just one billable hour every workday, that could be $50,000 to $100,000 per year per attorney in lost revenue. 1 hour a day. Okay, let's talk about the second one, weak collections. So you bill it, I'm excited, but you didn't collect it. Now, this shows up as high accounts receivable balances, slow paying clients. There's no lack of follow-up, and there's no clear collections process. So your realization rate might look fine, but your collection rate is where your profit disappears. Revenue is not real until it hits your bank account. Okay, the third profit leak, missed metrics. So most law firms are not tracking the right numbers. They might look at total revenue, total expenses, but you're not tracking realization rate, utilization rate, collection rate, revenue per attorney. And without these, you can't diagnose where the problem actually is. This is like trying to drive a car without the dashboard. Okay, number 4, owner blind spots. And this is the one that no one likes to talk about. So as a law firm owner, you might be underpricing your services, overstaffing in the wrong areas, avoiding financial decisions, or not holding your team accountable. And sometimes it's not intentional, but because no one has shown you a better way, but your firm will only grow to the level of your financial leadership. Okay, number 5, cash flow chaos. Even profitable firms can feel broke. And why is that? Because they don't have a cash flow plan. They have no visibility into future obligations, or you have structured distributions. So what happens? Well, big months are followed by stress. You end up with surprise tax bills, and you may end up with inconsistent owner pay. So here's the deal. You can look profitable on paper, meaning on your tax return or on your profit and loss statement. But if you don't have control over your cash flow, then you can still feel the stress of money nonstop. So how do you identify your profit leaks? Here's where you're going to start. Ask yourself, are we billing everything we should be? Are we collecting everything we bill? Do we know our key performance metrics? These are also called KPIs for key performance indicators, key numbers, key metrics. So essentially, it's the main numbers that help guide you with your firm financially. Do we have a clear cash flow plan? Meaning, do you know for the next 4, 6, 8, 12, 13 weeks, do you have a clear idea of cash coming in and cash going out week by week? And lastly, am I making decisions based on data or on vibes? And if you hesitated on any of these, you likely have a profit leak. So, what do you do next? Well, you don't fix profit leaks by working harder. You fix them by improving systems, tracking the right data, and making better financial decisions. This is exactly what a CFO should be helping you do because your goal isn't just to run a busy law firm. Your goal is to run a profitable law firm that actually pays you and pays you well. So if this video helped you see where money might be leaking in your firm, be sure to subscribe for more content like this and check out my other resources below. I break this down even further inside my community for law firm owners because once you plug the leaks, everything changes.